Is your pressure-treated deck wearing out due to exposure to the elements? Are you finding soft spots from water damage? Maybe you have mold or mildew rotting out your planks? Free yourself from the annual maintenance of a wood deck with TimberTech's advanced PVC. Built for our wet BC climate, TimberTech is the market leader in maintenance-free decking. Their advanced PVC boards are comprised of 100% synthetic materials. This makes them the ideal material to use around water, since PVC doesn't absorb or decay from moisture. TimberTech is so sure of its effectiveness, all advanced PVC products come with a 50-year product warranty and a 50-year fade and stain warranty. Talk about standing behind your product. Aspen Sundex is a proud TimberTech Platinum Pro installer. If your Sundeck is giving you the blues and you want a deck that will last a lifetime, contact Aspen Sundex today. Our quotes are always free, so call us at 77825 54687.